So now let us see X.509 digital certificate format. X.509 is an ITU standard or public key cryptography standards specifying the format for public key certificates. So ITU stands for International Telecom Union. Okay, it is a standard. So here format fields meanings. So first, what are the things you may be having here in the digital certificate? The digital certificate may have the serial number or version and the issuer information, subject key information, validity period and certificate signature. So what is this certificate serial number? So it may be the unique number issued by the CA. Another thing is the issuer information. So what is issuer information? It includes his or her common name. For example, it may be email address, organization name or this country name, etc. And what is subject information? So this includes the distinguished name of the certificate's subject or owner. So owner's information will be the subject information. For example, client-side software will check common name of BMart's e-commerce site. So that is who is the owner of the certificate, that owner information will be the subject information. So next is subject's public key information. So here the subject public key information will be in the form of any RSA modulus, or it may be generated by the Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. Okay, so algorithm here may be used mainly RSA, or sometimes the DSA algorithm also is being used for generating the public key information. So next is validity period. So it may include the start date and end date of the digital certificate. So next thing is the certificate signature. The signature is issued by whom? Okay, this it is issued by the issuer, and also it should include algorithms used for signing. So algorithms used for signing may be generally MD5 and SHA algorithms. So this is a common format for digital certificate. It includes version, the first heading you can see there, the version. Next is the certificate serial number. So for example, it may be 3174 like that. And the certificate algorithm it includes, and also includes the issuer name. Okay, it may issuer name means again it contains information about the country, which state, which location, and the company name, etc. Okay, next is the validity form. From where maybe it may start from January 2022, next January 21. So like that the validity period will be also written in the certificate. And next is the subject. The subject also includes the country name, state name, location, and the email address, everything. And next you have the algorithm. The public key algorithm will be present. It may be RSA algorithm. So here the public, when you write the modulus, okay, it may be of 1024 bits. Okay, all will be in hexa values represented. So next is the signature algorithm. You will be having signature algorithm is represented at last. So it may be MD5, they may be using MD5 algorithm or the SHA algorithm. So again it will be represented in the digital certificate. So this is an example showing the digital certificate format. So the certificate, it has some informations like version, serial number, signature algorithm, the issuer of the particular certificate, and next you have validity. Then you have subject, means owner information. Then you have subject public key information. So which the owner's public key information, it is also in an encrypted format now. So that is in the form of they have represented. For encrypting, they have used RSA algorithm. Here you can see that. Okay, next, a digital signature also should be present in the digital certificate. So that is represented with MD5 algorithm.